everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing from Misfits Market. This is the Madness, which is the large produce box, and I get the all organic. I also did order some additional items too. So we're gonna get this box open and see what's inside. But first, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and then tap the bell icon right next to it. I post 3 videos a week, sometimes usually more. And you don't want to miss any of them. I do at least one unboxing video and lots of other health and nutrition content, and you really just don't want to miss anything, so just go ahead and subscribe. And if you're watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, just go ahead and get that out of the way. Okay, let's get this box open. So this is the first time in a long time that it's not filled all the way up to the top. There's about 3 or 4 inches that's open on top. So I'm curious. I got organic pea shoots and organic spring mix because I like to have lettuce or greens in the house to make salads at all times. Also to top burgers with. These are amazing. If you eat grass-fed beef, either from Seven Sons or the Butcher Box, which I have links to in the description down below, try topping your burger with pea shoots instead of lettuce. It's amazing. These look pretty good. What's the expiration date? This one is December 29th, and this one is December 25th. So this will be good till Christmas. Today is the 21st. It's usually a little bit longer of a date than this one is. That's pretty good. I like that. Chocolate chunks. So these are 65% dark chocolate. It's paleo and vegan. And that means there's no milk or eggs in there. It's for snacking and baking. And I got it for baking because I want to put it in some cookies. The ingredients are organic cacao beans, organic coconut sugar, organic cocoa butter, and it says contains coconuts, may contain traces of other blah blah blah. So that's pretty good. That is 1, 2, 3 ingredients in your chocolate chip for your chocolate chip cookies. That is pretty awesome, and this is Best Buy next November 22nd. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. Got some raw honey because I wanted it. It's lemon and ginger. Can't really smell it through there, but I wanted this. I love raw honey and I love lemon and ginger. This is vegetarian, paleo, gluten-free. Obviously, honey is not vegan because honey comes from bees, which is not from plants. And the ingredients here are raw honey, ginger, and lemon. That's it. I like that. Nice immune booster. You know what I wish these produce companies would have that I haven't seen any of them have? Bananas. Have you found a produce company that has bananas? I have not seen one. I mean, even if they're frozen bananas, that would be fine. But it's kind of weird that none of them offer bananas. I'm just going to go with it's probably too perishable, but we got our C&B Farms green beans, and someone left me a comment on my video for Worthy Flavors that C&B is actually the company that founded Worthy Flavors, or one of the founding farms for Worthy Flavors. So I think that's pretty cool. What I do think is interesting is when they come from Misfits, there's no tag on the bottom that says the date that they were packaged or harvested. But when these very same green beans come from Worthy Flavors, it does have a tag that tells you the package or harvest date. So I think that's pretty interesting. I can't tell you if Misfits takes off the tag or if when C&B sends it to Misfits, they don't put the tag on. I don't know. But I think that's interesting. We have some organic kale. This looks nice. And there wasn't a lot to choose from, honestly. I I can never get into Misfits. I got 2 of the kale, by the way. I can never get into Misfits at the time that they open up. So for me, it's Wednesday. They open up my ability to customize on Wednesdays. And I cannot get into the website on Wednesdays at 4 o'clock because I'm actually teaching ice skating at that time. And I can't change my schedule around that. So by the time I get in to the customization, a lot of the things that I want are no longer available. And that happened again. And this week was the worst week. So I went in and I actually was just going to leave it and say, send me whatever you want. But then I went back in the next day and looked again. And some of the things I did want had become available. So I went ahead and I customized. But I wish I could get in exactly on the button because all the people who can are taking all the good stuff. Some broccolini. Pears, which we really don't need. We have, something's wet in here. We have plenty of pears. These look really nice, but we don't need pears. They're just wet. Something is wet. Cilantro. Smells good. It's not wet. Why are the pears wet? What's happening? The cranberries look a little wet. Ugh. Yeah, they're gooey cranberries. What happened here? Okay. Well, at least they're organic, but they're looking a little wet. What happened in here? Oh, I bet you it was a mango. So we got some mangoes. These are Kent mangoes. I hear the pit rattling around in there. Wow, I've never had that happen before. You hear that? Can you guys hear that? Huh. Yeah, so this mango may be past its prime. That's interesting. Put that over there. Turnips. These look pretty good. Nothing weird. Zucchini. These actually look pretty good. A little nicked up on this one, but this one is like a perfect zucchini. Huh. Summer squash. The pit in this mango isn't rattling. And then we have, ooh, this one's smushy. The other kinds of mango, and this one's smushy too. So it looks like it's, these mangoes are okay. And I forget what these are called. But these mangoes look okay. These mangoes are not in the best shape. The greener mangoes. Oh, and we have another pear. These red pears look really good. I actually can't wait to have one. They're a little unripe, so we'll wait. And then we've got some red potatoes. I don't remember ordering those, but I guess I probably did. I have tons of potatoes right now. I actually have a box over there with potatoes in it because I don't have any room for them. I'm going to have to start eating some potatoes. Another turnip. A tiny, teeny tiny pear. Look at these teeny tiny pears. Those are cute. You know what I can do is I can poach these in port and do a goat cheese walnut pear salad for Christmas. That would be really nice. Or New Year's. Wow. Yeah, that's what I'm doing with these. Some garlic. That looks fine. More of these potatoes. Now this, I'm pretty sure was supposed to have been a spaghetti squash. But this kind of looks like a butternut squash. Interesting. pretty sure these are supposed to be rainbow carrots, but they just look like plain old carrots. That one's a twisty carrot. Couple weird small carrots. Another twisty carrot. Yeah, but they're carrots. A broken summer squash, and this is again because of the way that Misfits packages. And we saw that there was like that much space on the top, and then things jingle around in there. And when things jingle around in there, things get broken in there, right? Chia Seeds. So I had ordered these before and didn't get them. And now I have them. So I'm glad I got my Chia Seeds. It took like a month, but I did get my Chia Seeds. And these, these were supposed to be the chocolate mint. Oh, they are chocolate mint. And I thought I ordered more than one, but maybe I only ordered one. Dark chocolate mint almonds, covered almonds, the skinny dip. And these per serving only have 6 grams of sugar. That's actually pretty good. And the other ingredients are almonds, dark chocolate, cane sugar, which is at 6 grams, cocoa butter, milk fat, organic maple sugar. So there's 2 kinds of sugar. Sea salt, cocoa powder, and peppermint oil. We have more of these little pears. These are cute. Another red potato. 2 Meyer lemons. These are small, really tiny. Ginger, which is always lovely to have. I love ginger. Some onions. Oh, another turnip. Some yellow onions, which you can always use. This is what we have. And my cats are running around. This is what we have. It's a lot. So you definitely do get a lot more from Misfits, and I'm going to put my receipt up. What do you guys think? Is this worth the value? Is this worth what I paid? What's your experience with Misfits Market been? Have you tried another service that you like better that you think I should try? Let me know. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your experience has been. And also let me know if you think this is worth what I paid for it. And if you're looking for some inspiration for the new year, I've got my 5-day sugar detox challenge that's on my website. It's completely free. You can just go ahead to aimeericca.com/freebies and download the guide. I've also got a fresh start that's coming January 1st for you, and lots of other stuff on my website at aimeericca.com/freebies. And I have my paid programs, my 28-day transformation. You can get that right now for $97. That's $200 off. But you have to use promo code YouTube. And you can find that by going to aimeericca.com/programs and use that promo code to get it for only $97. But there's only so many of those promo codes available. So do that right away, because once they're gone, they're gone. I'm not going to extend them. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy holiday and a happy new year, and I will see you real soon. Bye.